This video will demonstrate how to properly drain the water tank in preparation for removal or service of brewer. Disconnect power from the brewer. Loosen screws that secure the front access panel and remove. Remove drain hose from brewer. Remove hose clamp and remove plug. Release the white tubing shut-off clamp to drain water from tank. Place the end of the drain hose in a container that has a minimum capacity of 8 gallons or 30 liters. When tank is empty, close the white tubing shut-off clamp and replace the hose clamp and place in the brewer. Replace the front panel and tighten screws.